clean service truck on a Monday, boys. You know it's going to be a long week. Alright, 324L. Here's my problem with operators. Started out, the machine was over there on Friday. Tagged out. Then, magically found its way over here. And, yeah, tag out sticker. Still on it. Well, yet we still moved it. Why, people, why? Best part about this whole deal is we had parts on the machine and they moved it. Well, all those extra parts, well, they managed to find themselves in the fucking trash bin. Thankfully, I found them. God, I hate people. Here. Here. All put back together, somewhat trimmed up, making it look nicey nice. Don't look too close at it. So we'll put this unit back in service, on to the next one. So the boss man doesn't like the productivity out of the MT85. Apparently this bucket's just too small, so we're gonna go ahead and swap it out. Use that big unit right there. I think it'll improve the productivity. Also, more you know moments here. If this is not centered and you leave it in that position, guess what? It's not gonna start. Just more you know. John Deere 850L. Well, how do you adjust tracks? You want to get yourself a really cheap tape measure, piece of pipe, and DeWalt grease gun with a cheap ass battery on it. Remember, you got a 2-inch gap, or a 2 2/4 inch gap between the slack points, and that's where that pipe comes into play, boys. Oh, looks like I found my 13th reason. Jesus Christ. We don't have a shovel on your machine. Look at that ass going back to work.